Hi, I'm Grace Miller. If you've ever counted deadlines or business days manually, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be. Today, I want to show you DueCalc, a simple collection of free tools designed to calculate dates, deadlines, business days, and due dates in seconds. Inside DueCalc, you'll find several useful date and planning tools for everyday work and personal tasks. You can calculate due dates, count days between dates, find future dates, calculate business days, track deadlines, and much more.
Now let's talk about the Business Days Calculator. Let's start with the Business Days Calculator. This tool is perfect when you need to calculate working days between two dates without manually checking weekends one by one. Explaining the dates. Just select your start date, choose your end date, and click Calculate Business Days. The result appears instantly, making it much easier to plan deliveries, projects, invoices, and work deadlines. Due Date Calculator. The Due Date Calculator helps you quickly calculate future due dates based on a starting date and a selected number of days. This is especially useful for payments, invoices, assignments, and project planning. Days Between Dates. With the Days Between Dates tool, you can instantly see the exact number of days between any two dates. It's useful for schedules, contracts, events, travel planning, and personal goals. Days from Today. The Days from Today calculator helps you quickly find future dates. For example, you can instantly calculate what date it will be 30, 60, or 90 days from today. Business Days Calculator again. One of the things I like most about DueCalc is how simple and clean the tools are. Instead of wasting time calculating dates manually, you can get accurate answers almost instantly. Deadline Calculator. The Deadline Calculator helps organize important timelines more clearly. It's useful for work, school, projects, legal deadlines, or any situation where timing matters. How many days until? And finally, the How Many Days Until tool makes it easy to count down to future events, launches, vacations, appointments, or important dates. Net 30 Calculator. The Net 30 Calculator is useful for invoices and payment terms. If a client or company gives you Net 30 terms, this tool helps you quickly find the exact due date based on the invoice date. It can save time and reduce mistakes when managing payments, billing, and business deadlines. Invoice Due Date. The Invoice Due Date tool helps you quickly calculate invoice payment deadlines. Simply enter the invoice date and payment terms, and DueCalc instantly shows the correct due date. This is especially useful for freelancers, small businesses, accounting, and client billing. It is completely free to use and works directly in your browser. No sign-up required. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you enjoy discovering simple tools that save time and make everyday planning easier, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more useful tools and practical websites very soon. Thanks for watching.